Mayong adlaw sa tanan, kumusta mo? Let's have another set of expressions to learn this week. In this video, we will practice three common Cebuano expressions often heard during mealtime, family gatherings, and so on. So these are mga unta, kaon pa, and pagkuha lang dito. These expressions are simple, practical, and very useful in everyday conversation. Let's practice with short and natural dialogues to learn how to use these expressions and how to respond when someone says them. Mga unta. It means let's eat. So this is to invite someone to eat. Situation. There is an occasion in the neighborhood. Ali, mga unta. Mukaon ba ka og lechon?
Oh, mukaon ko. Lami kaayo na.
Ganahan ka og sili?
Oh, gamay lang.
Hinay-hinay lang kay ang high blood.
Okay ra, dili man ko high blood.
Situation. You pass by a group of people eating.
Hey Mark, mga unta. Hulo, salamat. Unsay sudan ninyo? Naami ginabot og utan. Kaunsa? Okay ra? Gamay lang. Okay kaayo. Way blima. Kaon og daghan. Salamat kaayo.
Situation. You just woke up and your family invites you to have a meal. Mayong buntag day. Kumusta imong tulog?
Mayong buntag sad ma. Maayo ra.
Maayo noon. Ali, mga unata. Naay plato diri.
Sige, unsa ni ma?
The next expression is kaon pa. It means eat more. It means to encourage someone to have more food. Situation. Your neighborhood is having a celebration and you are invited.
Okay ra ka diha? Oh, okay ra. Lami kaayo ang pagkaon. Kaon pa. Pagkuha og pagkaon didto. Hala, salamat. Busog na gani ko. Sus, kagamay ra sa imong gikaon. Naay dessert didto. Pagkuha. Sige, mukuha ra ko didto.
Situation. You're having a meal with your family and your mother-in-law encourages you to eat more.
Chris, kaon pa. Gamay ra kayo imong gikaon. Okay ra ko, nay. Busog na ko. Sus, kaon pa, oy. Pagkuha og sudan. Unay.
Situation. Having a meal at a relative's house.
Kaon pa. Ayaw kaulaw. O, lami kayo ang sudan. Mayo noon. Kuha pa og lain. Sige, gamay lang.
Alright, now let's have the next expression. Pagkuha lang didto. It means just get some over there. Situation. Asking your mother-in-law for more food.
Ma, lami ang sudan. Pwede pa ko mukuha?
Oh, napa didto sa kaldero. Pagkuha lang didto.
Sige, gamay lang sa. Ganahan sad si Mike.
Sige, kaon pagyud mo. Situation. You are visiting your wife's hometown and looking for drinking water.
Tiya, asa mi pwede mo kuha og tubig?
Naa ang dispenser sa kusina. Mineral na nga tubig. Pagkuha lang din ha.
Sige tiya, salamat.
Oh, ayaw mo kaulaw ha? Naipagkaon diha. Kaon unya mo. Situation. You're still hungry so you ask for more rice.
Nay, pwede ko mudugang og kanon?
Oh, pagkuha lang diha. Kanang gisangit nga kaldero.
Sige, mudugang kog gamay.
Oh, kaon pa para mabusog ka. Now let's practice. How do you say blank in Cebuano? The following sentences are taken from the short dialogues. Let's start. Do you eat roasted pig? Mukaon ba ka og lechon? Come here, let's eat now. Ali, mangaon na ta. What's your dish? Unsay sudan ninyo? Eat more. Get food over there. Kaon pa. Pagkuha og pagkaon didto. I'm already full. Busog na ko. Eat more. Don't be shy. Kaon pa. Ayaw kaulaw. Can I get more? Pwede pa ko mukuha? Where can we get water? Asa mi pwede mukuha og tubig? Just get some over there. Pagkuha lang didto. For those who are just starting to learn Bisaya, we now offer a new beginner course. Here is an overview of the lesson flow. You can find more details on our website. Each lesson comes with a set of useful phrases and example dialogues based on real life situations. This course is designed for beginners who want to start communicating through conversation, texting, and everyday situations, with less emphasis on structure and in depth grammar rules. Feel free to reach out to us for more details. I'm looking forward to studying with you soon. Hangtod diri lang sa takaron, daghang salamat sa inyong suporta o sa pagtanaw sa among mga video. Ayaw kalimot sa pag-like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated mo sa daghan pang Cebuano lessons. Sa sunod na sad, padayon sa pagtuon!